Hey everybody, in this video we have an Abus 83 padlock. I got this on eBay in a box of padlocks I got. Some didn't have keys, the rest had factory cut keys. This one, however, actually has a hand file key. It's an SC keyway, it's only pin 5, and the bidding on the key is actually going to be 72727. And makes it kind of difficult to pick here, and the key is hard to put in, but once you get it in, it does work. And to try to pick it, I'm going to be using a right-hand hook. It's 25 thousandths, and Sparrow's new 40 thousandths pry bar. And Sparrow's is awesome. I just bought my third set of pry bars, and this happened to be in it. The other two sets didn't have this. I was actually emailed them, and they were actually nice enough to just send me the cost of just getting 2 more of these and shipping them to me, so I was able to complete the other sets. And to get this thing open here, I'm going to start at the front. And let's see here, so we got a 1 false set, 2, 3, 4. Counter rotation on 5 a little bit. And we're back to 1 springy. Nothing on 2. Okay, hitting 3 put us into a deeper false set. Counter rotation on 4. And go back to 1. 1's not doing anything. Hit 2, felt a little bit of rotation actually on 2, but didn't really get a click or anything out of it. Counter rotation on, I think that's 4. Click on 5, and I kind of lost my false set here. 1 drops and we're back into a false set. It's in 2 again, get more. Okay, it's counter rotation on 2. And we're open. Okay, so it's open here, we'll see if we can gut it. And to get this thing open, it is a Phillips screwdriver. Tool here. Okay, and this actually has the little spring-loaded piece that keeps it out. And I've got a key here, so we'll lock it back. Force the key in, turn it a hair, and I'm just going to push that down. And I need a screwdriver here. There we go. Okay, now I just need a follower. Alright, and then for our key pins, they're all standard 72727, and we'll do a close-up of these here when I'm all done here. Okay, and then our driver pins here. So let me actually just start with 5 because I put this in kind of backwards here. So on 5, It could have been pin 6, but it didn't. It came only pin 5. Okay, so 5, we just have a spool, spring. 4 is another spool. Okay, that spring's actually shorter than the one in 5. And on 3, another spool. And 2, another spool. And 1, we actually have a serrated pin on number 1. And number 1 also had this brass spring in it. It's a lot longer, so probably more tension in that chamber. Okay, so that's what we got in it here. Let's see if we can do a kind of a close-up on the pins here. Okay, so on our pins, oriented right here. So basically, it's just number 1 is. Sorry, this tripod I'm using here, I can't just easily take the camera off of this. I'm trying to do this with the camera still mounted to it. So 1 is actually, it's a. Zoom off here. Damn thing will friggin' focus. Okay, 1 is just, I don't know, you can barely see it. It is serrated, but not much. There's 2 serrations in it. Not a whole lot. And then the rest are all, yeah, the rest of them are all just standard spool pins. And anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. You want to leave a like and a comment, and please subscribe to the channel. And until next time.